A button.
This is way more fun.
Bro, big make it right. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
This is great.
Hey guys, it's Wengie and I'm here with Collins Key.
Hey, what's up guys?
And Devin.
Hey, yeah, Devin.
And hi.
I'm trying to reach it, but it's far away.
Today we are doing gummy food versus sour gummy food.
Sour gummy food.
Yeah.
Wait, sour?
There's 3 of us. And
Oh gosh.
real food.
I don't do well with sour food. Maybe that's Devin.
Oh really? Okay.
I hope you get it all.
And we haven't twisted it. So we have our smoothie bowl.
Yep.
So everything we get, we're gonna pop in here and we're gonna drink it after. And also, we did a pancake art challenge on Collins' channel.
It was a rematch because last time she destroyed me, and so we had to go back at it again to see who will become the victor.
Don't worry guys, I got this.
You'll see.
Right now, we don't know what's under these plates.
I'm so nervous. I know.
I know. 3, 2, 1.
Yes! Yo, you can see it's like all like this. Yo, thanks. I don't want to. Yo, am I to eat it?
Yeah,
Yeah, you gotta eat it. Will that get stuck to your throat on the way down?
I hope not. At least you didn't get a live octopus.
Oh,
You know,
that's
like
weird.
how they put live ones?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the sour.
Oh, you got the sour? Oh, I'm double blessed. What?
Alright, you ready guys? We're gonna eat this.
Actually, it's a great way of doing this. I'm gonna place this here.
Oh, you're gonna make a little platter.
I like your spoon, Collins. Nice.
Thank you. I appreciate it. It's all octopus.
3, 2, 1.
Good. Man,
I don't mind sour.
I love going food, man.
Oh, this is really good actually.
And the suction cup's like almost like detached from the arm and just like floating around my mouth. What? It's really weird. Swallow it. I don't want to swallow it, bro.
Still in your mouth?
Yeah, because I haven't swallowed it yet because it's just like it's super scary. Like what happened when it's swallowed it? What are you gonna do?
I get it right now.
Yeah, me neither. I can't either. I literally cannot. Yo, is it gonna get like stuck to me like on the inside?
No, I don't know.
Like
It'll never come out.
I think it's inside my body and there's like this octopus arm stuck to my stomach that's been there for like 25 years.
Maybe it's flying out using its suction gun.
No.
Not a good thought.
No, we gotta smoothie it, so we gotta put it in our smoothie.
Oh my god.
Yes! I'm so excited.
I am not happy about this.
I will gladly put all of these in my smoothie. Just look at I wish there was more of them, to be honest.
Alright, round 2.
Round
What do
two.
we have? I don't know.
Man, I hope I get some good candy.
I do too.
I hope I get some bigger too. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! The sour! Wait, first an octopus and now sour candy?
Is this supposed to be bad? Because this looks
No,
really
you got the good one, Devin.
Looks
Yeah,
awesome.
I know. You've been getting good ones so far. Like, what's
Yeah.
happening?
I don't know. I'm not liking this challenge currently.
I'm loving it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
I love watermelon.
Oh, I got like power.
So good. I mean, who doesn't love watermelon? I feel like I'm in the summertime, you know? Feel warm inside. Feel really good. How are you doing, Collins? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Wow.
Glad to hear. No, what? I'm sorry, what?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Oh, it's a
Sweet.
Oh, yeah. The curdy
Oh,
one.
wow.
What?
That's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Awesome. Well, we're gonna smoothie it. Alright, so I'm not even sure this fits in my.
Oh, yeah, it kind of fits. I just put the whole thing in, like, with the rind. Maybe this one. Oh, I was really excited about this. Not anymore.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna put mine in. Whoa! Oops, I slipped and happened to.
No, you can't. You can't.
I am. Oh, that smells disgusting. Holy shit.
I'll take your word for it. No.
Yo, that's intense.
Round 3. So I think Devin needs to get something bad.
No.
Because he's not having anything bad.
No, not at all,
What
please.
is this?
No, I don't need anything. I'm good. All set.
He's just like that innocent one in the corner, like nothing bad happens to me. 3,
2,
1.
yeah! Oh!
What is this? It's so much
sour.
I know, we've done this a couple times, and it's bad.
Yeah, it's terrible. So I will call this with pleasure.
All right.
Everyone?
Yeah, it's your first good one.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Wait.
Fine. You okay? Wait, bro. What are you doing?
Try this bite.
Oh my god, that was super sour! I've never had anything this sour before.
You look quite funny with that. I suck one. Suck one. I really hope I got more gummies as well. It's like, this is so delicious, man.
It's like a little child, like Halloween candy.
Is it sour?
It's still on my lips.
Oh.
Oh my god! Smoothie time.
This was actually not really a great
Burger?
Watermelon and burger.
Yum. Do I have to do it?
Yeah.
We
Bro, I have an octopus and sour candy in mine.
Yeah, I guess
And
you're
she's
right.
got a full sour burger.
have the next food. Again,
Whatever it is.
I feel really mean, but I'm hoping Devin gets something.
Me too, and I don't feel mean at all.
I feel so supported. Thank you guys. 5, 2, 1. No!
That's awesome.
No!
Yo! Holy!
It happened.
It smells just like it.
Wait, really?
It smells like Coca-Cola. Yeah, don't you eat it. Don't eat it. Do not eat. No!
Bro, you're kidding me.
Oh, there's like a giant one, a little
Yeah, and he ate my giant one.
Oh, it tastes just like Coke too. Oh man.
Man.
Yeah, it smells
Hey, you
good.
didn't have it back. You want it?
Well,
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Hold on. No! It's kind of like a Deadshot channel.
That's incredible.
Totally planned.
Alright, cool. I got this, which is
yeah.
great.
Oh my god! Did you shake it? What were you doing? What did you share? It wasn't me!
It's on my shirt. Roasted. No. 2, 1.
Oh yeah. Oh, ow.
Oh.
Still
Oh
dripping.
man.
Ow.
Oh, but it's good.
Oh. It's not even like good flour.
Oh god! I didn't know you were suffering.
Whoa.
Take another one.
No.
Here, take another one.
Okay.
Here. You want one more?
I do.
Hashtag brother.
Open your mouth, open your mouth, open your mouth. No. I got you to throw up on that. Another one. Open your mouth. It's a vacuum in there. Oh, I missed it. Almost. Okay. One more there. Get it in the ear. That'll be great. We're good. What? We're clear.
Oh, it's over. It's over. This is probably being in your mouth.
Trust me, if it went in my mouth, I did not spit it back out. Are you sure about that?
Except for that first one.
Yeah, that was definitely in my mouth. 3, 2, 1. Oh! I got it! I got it! It's stuck to her plate! It's stuck to her.
Definitely in his mouth.
Yeah, now I know it was in his mouth.
For sure.
No! I feel violated.
Oh.
That's satisfying.
I want that so much.
I feel like you want some now?
Oh, I would love some. Yeah.
I like to eat that.
You're the best.
I'll take some too.
Oh, there's not much
There's
left.
just not enough. Oh, I'm sorry. I think we have to move.
No worries.
Moving on.
Yeah.
I am curious.
What?
We're allowed to do this?
Wait, we're allowed to.
Do the sneaky sneak. 3, 2, 1.
No!
What is
I don't
that?
know what this is. No beans.
What are these?
Wait.
Jelly beans.
It says vegetarian beans. What's the difference?
Yeah,
What are vegetarian beans?
I thought beans are vegetarian.
I thought normal beans are vegetarian.
What is that? That looks
I think
like...
these are. Either those are sour or these are sour, but I'm guessing.
They look like old versions of it.
Wait,
Yeah, they look like moldy.
wait. They say Jelly Belly on them, so I'm guessing these are the normal ones.
These have 0 markings. Like if I found these in
Yeah,
the
what
woods,
is-
I would not go near them.
Oh,
Ooh.
that looks real gross.
Smells like baked beans.
Yeah, it smells like beans.
Do you guys have baked beans here?
No.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we do.
House?
Like baked beans, like that tomatoey sauce.
Oh, yeah. I think so.
Chili?
What?
Like baked beans for breakfast.
I'm pretty. Wait.
Breakfast?
You guys don't have baked beans for breakfast?
No. Hey, that's something we have.
Oh, what?
What is it?
What's that?
It's like Aussie breakfast food.
What?
Australian Devin? Aussie.
Sorry. No.
Alright guys, you ready?
Yep.
No,
I
I'm not. But sure.
I hope these are not sour.
Yeah, me too. Cheers! This is a can of beans. 3, 2, 1. Yo!
These are sour.
Yeah, these. Got 'em. Ooh, I got 'em. Not really that bad.
Oh really? They're sweet.
No, they're kind of sweet.
Ah. Meanwhile, he's looking like a bean.
What?
Ooh,
They're
look at
like,
that red bean.
yeah, like this one. He looks like this bean.
Yeah, look at the little.
Look, the
Holy cow.
Yeah, actually, that's really close. Wow, you're fast, Collins.
The one that got away.
It's like you want to be done.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I feel like mine is like the worst combo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Beans, watermelon, a burger.
Alright, we are back with another one. Ready guys?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Yes! It's bacon.
I don't even like bacon.
Really? I've never had bacon.
What? You've never had bacon?
No.
I'll trade.
You really? You would trade?
Oh yeah.
You know this has to go in your smoothie, right? Yeah, let's trade.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
I'm like desensitized to sour from the last time, so I think I can do this.
See, that's not how sour works.
No.
Usually it only gets worse and worse.
Really?
And worse.
Yes.
It's my first time having bacon too.
What?
I just realized I can't have bacon. I get this beautiful Wengie cook on it.
Some of that was cooked in octopus juice. I was too lazy to like.
No wonder you wanted to trade so fast now.
It tastes like octopus.
It low-key tastes like an octopus. Soggy and mushy and like kind of fibery.
Oh wait, bro, no. Wengie made this. You can't say
I mean, the crisp, the flavor, the texture.
It's like a master chef.
It's fine. It's our turn.
All right, I'm so ready for this.
I'm done.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's what? What? Just a little nibble. Oh, the sour?
It's sour. It's not much better. It's still bad. Oh!
Wengie eating sour foods are one of my favorite things.
They don't look like pig.
They look like pig to me.
Really? They look like little hippopotami.
Oh,
Is that the plural?
the blood.
Hippopotami? So is it octopi?
Hippopotami.
You kind of look like. Smoothie time!
Alright.
Okay. This is
Oh, boy.
so
Hold up.
sour. We're back with our next food. You can guess what it is.
Oh!
It smells like sauce.
Yo!
What?
What?
It smells like pasta.
3, 2, 1.
My sense of smell is impeccable.
It's surprisingly short little noodles.
It's like when my mom used to like cut up the pasta because they've been too long.
This was last year, right?
It was not last year. Okay.
Whoa! Look at this!
That is a long noodle.
This is like taller than me. Okay, guys, it's time to eat the noodles. It's way more fun. Sorry.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
What works from the Coca-Cola bottle?
Really?
Oh, this is no good, man.
It sounds different when it's sour. I mean, your voice changes.
Yeah, I got it.
What does it taste like?
Bro, it's making red. Look at it. It's making red.
Oh! Oh, there it is. Oh no. How
Yes.
Smoothie time.
Smoothie time. You see, you don't think about the real foods and how weird they're gonna be in a smoothie.
At least it's some sort of candy. I've gotten so many real foods. It's just been.
Okay, so there's one thing we haven't gotten yet.
Yeah.
It's the worm.
Yeah. Something smells bad.
Before we open it, guys, I need your help. We have a like challenge today, and if you guys give me a thumbs up right now,
Yep.
3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Have you guys done it? Hopefully, I won't get the worms.
Yeah, I'm feeling the same way. I think we're all feeling the same thing now.
Ready, guys? 3,
2, 1.
How did we get so lucky?
Okay, guys, like Colin's got the worms. I feel so bad for him. You guys gotta go subscribe to his channel and check out the video we did as well.
I would really appreciate it.
Are you really gonna eat this?
Yes! We go ham for these collabs.
Are you serious?
Well, I'm actually pretty excited for this.
Well, I feel really good about this. now.
Worm cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Whoa.
I got like both
That
of
would
the
be
flavors
fun.
too. Oh.
That looks so good. Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah.
And then I changed my mind.
Alright.
Is this really happening? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, this one looks like a little piece of larva. I gotta get that out of there. Oh! I'm getting nitpicky. They're all disgusting. Okay.
Oh, okay. Really? Oh my god. I can't even look.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Bro, you're like flying on your lip.
Oh.
Get him a tissue.
Oh. I got it.
Guys.
I'm coming back. I'm good.
I got it. Here you go. Here you go.
Alright, we are back with our smoothies. They look disgusting.
Yeah, they look really gross. Yours looks really good.
Yeah, yours looks really good.
Bacon, like moist and like expanded. Yours looks good on top, and then I don't know what happened down there.
Yeah, it's like a murky swamp.
I see beans. I see bread. Soggy bread is. Oh, we have one more thing to add.
Oh yeah. Where are your worms?
Be gone. Pop it on top.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my
Nice.
god. Okay, let's blend.
We're blending it. Alright, that's my top work.
Alright.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Yeah, gonna push a bunch of buttons. Why'd the lights go out?
Blew the lights out. We blew a fuse.
Yeah, and we're back.
No.
Yeah, we fixed the fuse.
These are some powerful blenders. I was not joking.
I think we should do these one at a time.
I'm so nervous. Wait, what?
Does it not work?
No. It worked a second ago.
Maybe the fuse.
Whoa! Alright.
Oh, we're waiting for that gummy.
I know, I'm waiting for the gummy.
It's right there.
Oh! I smell burning!
Oh my god. What the fuck like that?
I guess. It's so little.
Oh. It looks like someone threw up in mine.
Don't even say it.
Oh no. I'm not gonna smell this.
I can't.
That looks like someone threw up.
Don't
That's
say
good.
it. Just
Yeah.
don't say it. My stomach is